This is the Woodford RK-101 repair kit for the wall faucet. Just a couple parts that will come with: the handle screw, the metal wheel handle, the packing nut, the EPDM packing support washer, and then a few other parts. On the front of the package it will come with that list of parts it does come with, as well as a little picture guide or breakdown of the parts. Go ahead and get everything out of the package here. Go ahead and take a couple measurements of each part. Starting with the handle, we'll measure total outside diameter, so from here to here. So the handle measures right below 2 inches. Then get a total length of the handle, and that measures right at about 1.5 inches. And the vacuum breaker cap. Just go ahead and get a measurement across the top of the cap, and that's right above 1 inch, right at about 1.25 inches. And the vacuum breaker float or body, the total height of it, that's right above almost 3/4 inch. And the packing nut, as you can see on the packing nut there are threads there, and then this hexed portion here as well. And that measures right below right below 3/4 inch. And we'll get this brass washer, outer diameter of right at about 1 inch. And the packing, it's right at about 1/2 inch. This other rubber washer here, measuring almost right at 1/4 inch. Get the screw, and that's right at about 3/4 inch as well. And yeah, once again, this is the Woodford RK-101 repair kit.